Hello guys, this is a portable 200 watt laser clean machine, and now we can introduce to here. This is power supply for laser clean machine, and now we can connect the power supply. This is a Chinese standard power supply, and also we have the America or North America's standard power supply. Like this, North America standard. Connect the power supply first. After change the key part, key back, to take it out. And this is the key. Turn on. And the emergency, turn it on. After, you can use the left light. When start button is on, the light is lit up. And now we have to take the cover out. Here is a switch of the stern laser head, and we also need to take the control system with the panel. This is the switch. The password, use the current and press the password 60123456, and those parameters can adjust. Now we use the 100 times 100 millimeters lens. This is 200 times 200 lens. The focus 254. Okay, power supply, power adjust frequency and pulse. Now we can try to use these parameters to clean. +1, just to see the red view, and continuous +2 times, twice. Up and down can find the focus. If you don't use the machine, you have to turn off the machine start button here, and the red light off, same off. Also need to turn off the touch panel, and you can turn off the key. That's it, and you back the cover. And the fiber cable cannot fold, so I have to keep up the